If you are looking for paid traffic that work for Google AdSense Arbitrage, then stop searching. This video is going to help you. Before I can be able to dive in to show you exactly how to get the paid traffic that is going to help you to do Google AdSense Arbitrage, I need to change your mindset. In a second, so let me do that very quick. The first thing you need to understand is the content model. The content model that is going to work in 2025 is controversy topic. And I'm going to show you how to find controversy topic that is going to engage users once you run a paid traffic to your Google AdSense website or ADX. But the main important key I want to give out to this video is controversy topic, and I'm going to show you how to find controversy topic without extracts. I'm going to give you the prompt which you're going to put in ChatGPT to get a controversy topic and give a writer to write for you, because one of the key factors is going to help you to stay profitable when you're running arbitrage is having the right content. And most people have done this mistake for over years, using the same topic that is working for everybody, and at the end of the day it becomes spam, and a lot of people abuse this content strategy, and which past year scholarship is winning and travel is winning. But I'm going to show you how to use controversy content to drive a lot of traffic, whether you're going to be using Facebook or native ad. But I'm going to be showing how to run Facebook ad on this video, and also direct you to my full video where I explain about how to run Facebook traffic and also native ad. But I'm going to touch these sectors on how to set up a campaign. But I'm going to show you guys how to get a controversy content that is going to work on the paid traffic you want to use on the Google AdSense. So pay attention to this video, don't skip any part, and you're not going to regret watching this video. Let's go. As I said earlier, it's not about showing you the place to buy traffic, paid traffic for Adsense Arbitrage. I want to also put an important information that is going to help you, because I have a lot of videos that have talked about paid traffic, native ad, Facebook, Reddit, Propeller. But there's one thing that I noticed: the same content everybody is using every day, and these contents are getting tired, and the audience are used to those content. So one of the content that is going to be evergreen when you are running arbitrage or paid traffic, you need to modify a pure content that is going to drive audience retention. That's when you're going to stay on perfect. So I decided to give out this prompt for free. I'm going to put it in the description of the video and also in the comment section, so some of you can easily copy this prompt and put in ChatGPT to give you a topic that is going to work for arbitrage before we talk about the paid traffic aspect. So I'm going to be also showing the place you need to buy traffic, although I have a video on those things, but I can still redo a particular video that I'm going to attach in this video, which is showing you a step on how to buy native traffic, or you try Facebook. Maybe that's what I'm going to do. Now the first thing we need to find out is a topic. Now I'm telling ChatGPT to give me controversy headline for entertainment content for Adsense Arbitrage, native ad, African audience. Now for those of you who want to target African audience, this is where you're going to put African. If you want to target UXA, you need to change it to UXA. If you also want to change niche to tech, this is the place you need to replace it with either tech or finance or anything. So you need to just be creative in what you're doing. If your content stand out, your click-through rate will be very high, and your charges are going to be very low. And this type of content will work for Facebook arbitrage over time. Okay, now this is something I will just read it out again before I can send to ChatGPT to provide an headline so we can know how to go about this. Now if you look at it, give controversy headline for entertainment content for Adsense Arbitrage, native ad in quote, in comma, and then the country I want to target, which is African. So this will help ChatGPT to understand that we are looking for headline that is going to work for Nigerians or Africans as a whole under entertainment, which is going to also point in aspect of getting a content that is going to be very controversial, okay? And it's going to help us to get more click-through rate and everything. Now look at the headline ChatGPT provide us with. You can equally ask ChatGPT to give you more, okay? And if you look at it, this celebrity that posts a shocking truth about the rising fame. These are the headline. You can easily copy this headline and give to a writer or anybody at all. But I'm going to pause this video and show you how to also make ChatGPT to give you content under these headlines. But I won't say 100% you need to rely on the whole information ChatGPT is going to give you. So if I'm going to be telling ChatGPT to write a content under this provided headline, I can easily give ChatGPT to write and then give a writer editor to modify the content in a proper way. And remember, if you need to scale up your Adsense Arbitrage system, you need to list them, because it's not about finding the content, it's about using the right images that is going to attract high click-through rate and reduce your spending, whether you are going to use Facebook or native ad or any platform that allows you to use image and headline to run a campaign. Okay, now let me pause this video and grab one of the interesting headline here and show you how to tell ChatGPT to write on that headline, and also give a writer to modify it. If you're satisfied with what ChatGPT is going to give you, fine, you need to go ahead and post it. And this strategy also works for ADS and AdSense, so it's just one-on-one. Okay, here is another prompt we need to use for those of you who want ChatGPT to write the headline they are going to provide. So you can easily tweak ChatGPT to give you more more headline. You can pick any one you want and use ChatGPT to also write, but most people are going to be going extra mile to modify proper strategies to find out some of the things. You can easily grab the headline, find a good writer who is creative or a good copywriter to work on this topic for you. But you can easily get an idea from ChatGPT and show the writer a sample as this is exactly what you want. Definitely they are going to take their time to figure out a proper body content that is going to work. But let me give you the free information on this. Now I'm telling ChatGPT to write a controversy content on this headline 2K works. So I'm going to text the headline. This is the headline. Okay, is your favorite celebrity star really who they claim to be? The hidden lies exposed. Now this is also the headline you're going to be using when you're going to be running native ad or you're going to be running Facebook ad. Believe me, this particular content, controversy content or controversial topic, really catch people attention. Okay, it really catch people attention and you're going to be getting a massive result, especially native ad. Okay, especially native ad. So let me send it to ChatGPT to do the joystick. So I'm going to allow ChatGPT to work on it. So this is it. ChatGPT is going to provide content and you can easily copy this content and give a writer to remodify. Okay, you can do that, but you can still paste it this way, or you can easily use your hand and do what and modify the content after grabbing it. And if you also look very closely here, I can equally go back to that second prompt, which is write a controversy topic on this headline. Let me pick another interesting headline under the controversy headline. Okay, I'm saying breaking news. This could be a burn, and then there is one. Okay, I'm going to see this and the truth about African. Okay, yeah, this is another topic that I want to put here, so I'm going to put it. The truth about reality TV or show. Are they real or just stage drama? Definitely, these are the things you're going to be putting on, the type of controversial topics that is going to work for native ad, and their click-through rate are going to be very high. Traffic are going to convert, and if you're good in modifying, this is the place you're going to do justice, and a lot of people are going to read because these are type of content people really want to see. The reality shows they are seeing out there, is it real? Exposing truth about it, something like that. Is it real or fake? Now these are the type of content that is going to work before we're talking about buying traffic, because I know as of last year, one of the content I've seen so far, and everybody, millions of arbitrage guys are using is travel, schools. These content have gotten a kind of down side of it, and people have started, users have started losing interest in this mode of content. So, but if you're going to be using controversial content or controversy headline and meme, these are type of content that is going to give you massive and sweet results. So in the next section, I'm going to show the place to buy traffic, the modification of images that you need to use that is going to align with your content. Okay, see you guys, let's go. Let's talk about the traffic aspects. Don't mind my voice, but pay attention to what I'm going to share. It's very vital information. Now I'm going to recommend AdKeeper for beginner. So if you really want to run native ad using a controversy content, use AdKeeper. So I have a separate video that I've talked about AdKeeper, which I'm going to leave in the description of it in this video, so you can be able to go and watch it and run ads. So as a beginner, I will advise you to fund $300 above, so to get a good result. So the minimum to fund here is $100, but you can fund more than $100. So for a good start, $300 above is the best thing you can do. Okay, another traffic source that I'm going to recommend is TikTok ad. For those of you who are watching me from a legible country that can easily run TikTok ad, congrats. TikTok is one of the best places to buy traffic for Google AdSense. Don't mind my voice, as I said earlier. So if you look very closely, one of the content that is working currently as of last year, I noticed one of the content that is working currently is job and travel and scholarship. They are going to work on TikTok advert. So for controversy content, I've not seen it. So I would advise you to use job, scholarship and travel on TikTok ad. Now another traffic source I'm going to recommend is Facebook. So controversy content are going to work on Facebook because a lot of people have not understand this method, which is using a controversy content to run ad or using an entertainment viral content to run ad on Facebook is still going to convert if you use the strategy that I share starting from the beginning of this video and adding your own research. And now if you notice something on Facebook, travel content, job content, scholarship content have become abused. A lot of advertisers have abused it, and users on Facebook have become tired of it because they are used to that ad on Facebook, because it gets more abuse every day. A lot of people are doing it wrong and right, and which Facebook currently, when it comes to scholarship and job, have become something of everybody. You might end up seeing more than 1,000 people or 500 at least, depending. You can see the list depending your cookie, you can see more than 50 ads a day under scholarship and job. And most of this content, a lot of people abuse it in a way that most users will land to the page. They will not get exactly value they brought them to the page. Because if we're talking about scholarship, you're talking about available scholarship in Scotland, in Germany. You need to do a research and put a proper data, not using a ChatGPT to generate a content. That's the reason why most advertisers have end up abusing it. So when the user land, they get no value. They just see some little thing that talks about the price they are paying, this and that, how to go to Scotland, how to apply for visa sponsorship in Scotland, without getting a real, because there are some real information out there where you can find available scholarship in Scotland. Use those data to create a proper content that user can see benefit and see a process of applying. But most people who are creating arbitrage content in Facebook, when it comes to this job of a thing, for over 5 years I've monitored them, most of them, at least 50 to 60% of them, are not putting the real data that is helping the user, and users are already getting tired of it. So if you listen properly what I said here, you need to also do your own proper research, and if you are going to be using TikTok. So I'm going to be creating a separate video where I'm going to be talking about how to run TikTok ad in Nigeria. So for those of you who are in an eligible country, go and try TikTok ad. For Nigerians and other countries who are not eligible for TikTok, I'm going to be creating a separate video showing you guys how to run TikTok ad in your country if you're not eligible. So another thing here, this Facebook own, I'm going to leave a description. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can be able to see the video I did about running Facebook ads, so you can be able to help yourself. And I think I'm also going to be leaving a link in the description which is going to put you through on how to run AdKeeper native ad. So I think I should round it up here, and I wish you good luck. Not only information I drop on this video, make sure you go ahead and do your own research and add to it. This is 2025. You need to do better. See you in my next video. Peace.